Morning, guys. We're out here today. We got 5 people, 25 traps. We're at our new spot, so we're fishing for pike. Finally off that little pond. We've had 1 flag so far. We're getting our trap set right now. We'll get some breakfast. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. We'll catch a lot of fish.
Remember, someone stop.
All right, I'm gonna be over.
Alright, here's the flag.
Yeah, it's on this time.
Finally got another flag.
That's the guy, Willie G, gonna show us how it's done over here. Talk to us, Willie G, what's going on?
I think we got a pike on here. Coming right at me. Coming right at me. Look under the ice.
Hey.
Another bass. Didn't fight at all. Glided through the water. Tiny one.
Little piss missile.
Yeah. All right, Tristan's got a flag here. It's ripping. But he doesn't have very good hooks, so we'll see if he can get a hook into it. It's going in towards shore. Whew. You probably just set the hook when you did that, so might as well take it.
Oh, he dropped it.
Oh,
What do you go for fucky?
he's got rusty dull hooks.
Tiny dressy though. Oh, flag.
Fighting a fish right here. Is it pulling? If it needs to run, let it go. There it is, I see it. Oh, that is a fat bass. That is a big bass. Look at this. Probably a 6-pounder. Look at that. Let it run a little.
There's a big shiner on this one.
There's a scale right there, I'm looking at it. Could be a pike though too. Pike, that's what we'd like to see. This might be the first pike. Bet. Okay, you gonna clothesline him or? Actually, you don't have treble hooks, so you might as well let him sit. Yeah, I run all number 1 treble hooks. Never had a problem with them.
What are we running? We got number 4. They're just standard bait.
Hooks and line. Got him? You got him? Yeah. He's coming at you or head shaking?
Sit. No, it's coming at me. There, he's coming at me now.
You see him, man?
Oh, I see him right there, bass. Oh, big one, though.
Look at that. Another nice bass.
4-pounder maybe?
Yeah, probably 3-4 pounds. Hold
Bear,
that
can
up.
I get your pliers, please?
Hold that up. There we go. Get back to the next one. All right, we got another flag here. Running good.
It was.
She's still on. Got it?
Yep.
Coming at you or?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Oh, there's a bass right there. Another nice bass.
They look real fucking big on this.
I was looking at yours that you just caught under the water. I was like, dang, that's big. And you put it out of the hole. Never mind. That's just not
Oh, there's that. Hopefully we get some pike here.
Number 6. That must not feel great.
Those are strong hands right there.
Oh, bear punching nice.
No, Cody, I tried to make hash browns, but it never worked out, so I always ends up turning into hash.
Ain't a real good cook.
Oh, fuck off.
All right, we got another flag over here.
Something to play with it. Slow it down for a second.
See the line?
He's got a green line.
Straight down.
In the weeds.
It is kicked off though.
Yeah. Probably a pickerel, if it's anything.
I guess we are
Hold
the
up.
only retired drivers.
I just slowly pull it. Sometimes you can have it come right up with
Don't feel like anything. No.
you. Alright, we got another flag out here. There's definitely something on there. Got him?
Oh, yep.
Yes, or run, let him run. Oh, I see it.
Bass.
Pike.
It's a bass. Another bass. See you in the next one. Alright, you get another flag.
First one in hours. Sounds like we're all out of shape.
I used to be able to run forever during football season. I'd never be fucking tired. It doesn't take much.
Nothing.
Something's okay.
Alright, we got another flag. Got it?
Yeah.
Does it feel good? See the line. Right there.
Oh,
There's the red line. What is it? There it is. There it is. Another nice bass. Right in the side of the mouth. Perfect hook job. Alright, we'll get you on the next flag. Alright, we got a flag on one of my sucker traps.
Dry.
Trying not to
It's just
smash
like
that
every
really
other
anything.
Next time.
Got it?
Something. Feels heavy.
Alright. Sounds like we got a fish on. Look out. Could be coming right here. No, it's a big pike. Let it run if it needs to. Let it run if it needs to. Let it run. Let it run. If it's got to go, just let that line go. Let it slide through your hands. That's a beauty. Beauty. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Just let it run. Go ahead.
How far?
As far as it wants to go.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Oh,
That's
yeah. That's a nice long fish. Look at that.
Tail.
Look at that. That's a long pike too.
Bruiser?
Look at that. Look at his eyes all beat up.
Dude, this is
Beautiful
a dinosaur.
fish. Nice one. We'll get that thing back.
Run, Graham! I'm just trying to stay afloat. Is it whipping?
Okay. You ready?
Yep. Maybe.
Got him, Trav?
I got something.
Fuck yeah, dude. Pull it in, Trav. Don't go like well then, because I'll chase it in.
That looks like a pike to me.
That's a big ass bass.
That's the same one.
There's some big fucking bass in here today.